All we have to know for this data sufficiency question is that in a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, the ratio of the sides is known to be 1 to square root of 3 to 2. The way to memorize this is to just memorize that the hypotenuse is double the smallest side, and then you can use the Pythagorean theorem to infer that the medium length side is square root of 3. So we know that that's a ratio that's always going to be true for any 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now, with that knowledge in mind, I want you to look at these two statements, and I want you to ask yourselves, if I know that the hypotenuse is 10, can I not then infer that the shortest side in this triangle is 5, half of 10? And vice versa. If I know statement 2, if I know the shortest side is 5, can't I infer on my own that the hypotenuse is 10? So this is one of those cases where if we use the free info, we realize that the statements are inferentially equivalent, meaning statement 1 implies statement 2 and statement 2 implies statement 1. In other words, neither statement adds any value above and beyond the other statement. And in that situation, we can eliminate answer choices A, B, and C without even reading what the question is asking. I go into the logic behind that in section 2 of my book, which you can actually read for free on quantreasoning.com. Now, since this question is just asking us to find the missing side, the side that would have a square root of 3 ratio units, each of these statements is sufficient on its own. We could find that it's 5 root 3, and therefore the correct answer is D. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.